Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here's a beautiful Valentine's Day look for you guys. If you like it, please like and subscribe, leave some love, and let's get on with the video. Okay, so my eyebrows are already done. I filled them in already, and I primed my eyes using my old Coastal Scents eyeshadow primer. I don't know if you guys remember this Coastal Scents, but it's a long time ago. So now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Milk. I'm gonna apply this all over my lids. And you could use your finger to blend it out, or you could use a brush, whatever you prefer. I like to use my fingers because it is really like thick and tacky, so I just find my finger works best. And I really like using this white base to make my shadows, you know, pop a little bit, because I am like a darker skin tone, so I find that some eyeshadows don't really show up on my skin tone, so this really helps. So for today's look, I didn't want the eyes to be too overpowering because I want the lip to be the standout piece in this look. So I'm just going to take my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette and I'm just going to go in with these colors right here. So Bougie and Cocoa Truffle, and I'm just going to pop that on my eyelids. And with these initial colors, I usually put them right around here, like a little on the outer side of the eye and over the crease, just to create some like a gradient effect with your colors. And you really want to blend these out really well. So I'm going to take a little more denser, more dense brush, and I'm gonna go into Cocoa Truffle since that's a little more deeper than the first color that I put, and I'm just gonna put this right on the crease just to give it some definition. So for my lid color, I'm going to use the same palette. You can use whatever colors you want, whatever gold or bronzy colors that you have, or anything. But I'm going to be using these two colors right here, Famous and Classy and Sassy. Ooh, sounds like me. See, this one's more of a bronze color and this is more of a gold, so I'm just going to kind of mix those two and put them on my lid. And I'm going to be using my fingers because I find that with like pressed glitters like these, the color payoff is so much better when you use your fingers versus a brush. gonna take a deeper brown. So I'm just taking the same color that I fill in my brows with, the Triple Fudge from the other, the normal chocolate bar palette. That was the chocolate gold palette, the one I was using before. So, just in case anybody's wondering, I'm just gonna put that in the outer corner of my eye, the outer V. Just to make sure that everything's blended nicely, I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and blend all those colors so there's no harsh lines. Okay, so going back to the chocolate gold palette, so this fancy one. If I was a palette, this will probably be me. Because look at all these these shimmers. They're so beautiful. So I'm gonna go in with, oh, look at this color. Drippin' Dymondz. Like me. I'm gonna put this color into the inner corner of my eye. And because it's also Valentine's Day, I'm gonna mix that with this pink right here. It's gonna give it some pop of love. So if you're a person like me who does their eyeshadow before their foundation, I personally like to do that because sometimes I can get a little messy and then I get a lot of fallout, so it doesn't make sense for me to do my foundation first. But if you do your eyes first and you do have like fallout, or you want to clean up under your eye, or just to make like your eyeshadow more sharp before you do your eyeliner, you can take some makeup remover on a cotton pad or the makeup wipe, and you can just clean up under your eye. Just before you go in with your foundation. So I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna take the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Pearlized highlighter in the color Wisp, and I'm just gonna pop that on my brow bone. So I just did my eyes off camera, so now we're gonna go in with a little bit of primer. So I'm gonna take my ColourPop concealer, this one right here. It's the Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. I really like this one. So I'm just gonna take it and pop it all over my face where I need to. And now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish Natural. So it looks like. It just gives your skin like a really nice glow, because I don't want to put on any foundation. gonna take my Hoola Bronzer from Benefit. I'm just gonna give my cheeks a little bit of color. So this one, I don't remember if this is the small version or the big version. I feel like it's the small version. I think. I don't remember. But it comes with this brush. So I just use it because I don't have a brush like this, like a normal size one. So I just use it to kind of carve out where I want to contour. And just go in with my brush and buff that. And for blush, I'm gonna take my MAC Mineralize blush in Gleeful. It's a pretty color. Oh, ooh, so pretty. Going back to the eyes, this part is also totally optional, but I'm just gonna take that cocoa truffle color from the chocolate gold palette, and I'm just gonna buff out the bottoms, my lash line. Oh, the bottoms of my eye. Now let's pop on some mascara. So I'm gonna use the Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara, and it's waterproof. This one is from Shoppers. It's like $2, and it's pretty good for a drugstore brand. I've heard a lot of things from, like the things from the Essence brand at Shoppers, and you know, it's pretty good. The drugstore is killing it with mascaras. I'm usually like a Maybelline type of girl when it comes to mascaras, but this is not bad for the price. Oh my goodness. So I added that the NYX Jumbo Pencil on my waterline. I don't really do this. I'm always like, I always need to have black on my lash line, but you see how putting the white on that lash line makes your eyes look even bigger. So this is new for me. So now I'm gonna take the MAC Extra Dimension Skinfinish in Oh Darling. It's kind of like a highlight. Well, I'll think of it as a highlight. I'm just gonna pop this on my cheeks. So now it's time for the star of the show, the lips. So I'm going to go in with these two products right here. I'm going to line my lips first with this Sephora lip liner. Then I'm going to go in with MAC's Ruby Woo. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So gorgeous. I just realized how many MAC products that I've used today. So not sponsored in any way. I just love MAC products. And there you have it. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!